The Power Tools Work Orders creates and tracks work orders from inception through to customer invoicing. Let's start by taking a look at the user-defined fields that allow you to customize information and menu options to meet your company's needs. The work order types group the work orders in specific categories. In this example, I'm separating service and warranty and commercial and residential maintenance. When printing job reports and work order reports, they will be listed under each type, allowing you to not only see the individual cost, but the cost and revenues overall for service and warranty, for example. Once a type will not be used any further, it can be locked. Inventory locations include jobs which are added automatically from the JCPM system, but additional locations like warehouses and trucks can be added. This allows the inventory to be moved to and from jobs to a warehouse, truck, or other user-defined location. The locations can also be locked once the job is completed or the location will not be used anymore. Create a list of questions specific to your company through the Custom Question Editor. The example here is for a roofing contractor and includes more detailed questions specific to that industry. The questions also include a set of user-defined answers. For example, how many stories is the building? Is this a repair or new installation? Or is gate access needed for the home or office? This allows the person creating the work order or working with the client to gather details for the proposal and in turn the personnel doing the work. The drop-down list settings allow you to add custom selections for questions that already exist in the program. For example, the part status. Are they available in the warehouse? Are they back-ordered? Or are they going to be shipped directly to the site? The work order status tracks the work order stages from conception through completion, with additional statuses for canceled or voided work orders. It also allows the user to set up a default status when it's opened. In the example here, the default status is opened for my new work order. The Send to App option allows you to determine at what point in the process the mobile app users will receive the work order. Let's take a quick look at that work order screen for the apps. The work order app provides the appointment date and time, the tech assigned to the work order, and the status, so the field knows the work to be performed. See turn-by-turn directions to the service address, a PDF of the work order including any attachments, and the ability to take photographs. Once the work order is marked complete, it will display in the work order program for approval, and we'll be taking a look at that shortly. Set up individuals in the Technicians or Crew Members section. This makes it easy to add the crew members or the technicians when using the dispatch or when entering the work order. The dispatch problem codes are available to set up commonly used dispatch reasons for easy entry. Let's take a look at a work order. If we look at this work order, we can see where the user-defined questions display and how the selections are utilized to provide details for the work order estimate. Both the service and billing address are included because work may not be necessarily done at the location of the responsible party. For example, a shopping complex. The service address will be the individual shop, but the invoice is forwarded to the property manager. Once the information is entered as completely as possible, the estimate sheet may be printed. The estimate sheet provides the person walking the job with the detail necessary to begin the proposal. Once additional details of the job are required, the information is added to the scope of work along with the proposal amount. The proposal will provide a printout of the job details, the estimate, the scope of work, and provides lines for signatures. The service order provides a printout for additional information, including the work performed, the materials used, and the work hours spent on the job. Once the work order is complete, the accounts receivable invoice may be created directly from the work order screen. The work order will also display the cost charged, labor, materials, and any purchase orders added for material purchases. The app work orders displays the status of open work orders still in the field and any that may have been submitted as they are completed from the mobile app. Once reviewed and approved, the description and additional information will be updated directly to the work order. Customers displays a list of customers added in the work order system. Inventory includes each location still active in the work orders. Move materials back and forth from jobs, trucks, or warehouses. This is done in the inventory transfer section. To transfer the inventory, select the location to move from, the location to move to, along with the default codes, and then list the items you'd like to move with the quantities. Post to update to the account numbers. The dispatch option creates information for the technician or crew for each job. To begin, create the crews, select the technician, and enter the appointment time and the issue. Add additional notes for the technician, and then mark when he actually arrived at the job and when it was completed. Work orders also include several reports. The reports can be printed in different formats. The work order report displays a date range, and you can order a specific status for the report, or you can select all. This will give you a list of work orders in the work order number order. Print the work orders by their status. You can also print the work orders by type. You can see here it's split out by commercial maintenance, service, and the service warranty. The PO summary report provides a list of purchase orders with the date, the vendor, and the status. The open purchase order report includes just the unlocked purchase orders in the system. No date range is needed. Invoices by date report lists all the invoices created from work orders through the selected date range. The work order amount and invoice amount are also displayed. The open invoices list all unpaid invoices created from the work order regardless of date. If you'd like to get more information on our work order system, please contact the Power Tools at 407-834-0700 extension 100, or email us for more information at info@thepowertools.com.